How to start a project in InShot. So if you've just downloaded InShot and you'd like to start your project, you want to edit your video, then this video will help you a step-by-step process to start your project. All you need to do once you have downloaded your app is to go ahead and tap on it to open. And you have here an option to create either a new video, edit a photo, or create a collage. In my case, I want to create a video, so I'll tap on video and then allow InShot to access your media. Then you'll be taken to your photo, choose the video that you want to edit, and once you have chosen it, tap on this tick and then just next. And okay, here from here you can now begin your editing because your video has already been added to InShot, and more especially on the timeline. Here is the timeline. So that's how you start a new project in InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.